Hi everybody, my name is Anya and I'm a consultant for Paparazzi Accessories. Today we are going to unbox the $99 starter kit. Now I've been a consultant for about 7 years now, but I borrowed this kit from one of my newest consultants so that we could open it together today and you can see what is inside the $99 starter kit. So let's bust it open. Got my scissors. This is so exciting. It's been a while since I joined and I know the starter kits are new and upgraded, so this is going to be really fun to look at this together. Okay, it's open now. Bubble wrap right on top. You can see the cute paparazzi decoration, black bubble wrap on the other side. Ooh, look, here it is. This is one of the prettiest kits that I have ever seen. Don't you agree? So it says lift here. So there's 2 dots right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Punch open those holes and lift that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is on both sides of this paparazzi box is jewelry. Now this is your 35 pieces of jewelry that comes in this starter kit to get you off to a really good start. And then inside this box here in the center, there's more. So let's pull that out and explore it together. Let's set this aside. The kit is a little heavy, so it's a smaller box, but it's kind of heavy because I think of what's in here, because this box is also very heavy. You can see the box itself is beautiful. Stripes on the side. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, the first thing I can see is this welcome packet. Again, beautifully designed. We'll crack open this in just a second. Next open, oh, can you guys see this? It says, step into the spotlight. The story of success begins here and you're the star. The story is one of transformation. It's inspiring, it's exciting, and it's fashionable. And I'll let you read the rest yourself when you get your kit. Next up is a paparazzi party planner. Now this is a great way to keep track of your parties and to plan when you want to work your business, as well as any things that you might have like for your family. I use this as my personal calendar too. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. Okay, this box is so pretty. Look at that. You can hear it kind of chingering around. These are hooks that go onto pegboard. So you can see, maybe you can't see, because these are the clear version of these same hooks. These are a black version, and they just slide right into the pegboard so that you can display your necklaces or earrings or bracelets with those. So there's 25 of those hooks. And then, so we have inside the box, we have another box. So let's set this one aside. It's like Christmas, don't you think? Opening all these boxes. So this side says accessorize. This one says paparazzi, become, and invite. Okay, where did my scissors go? There they are. Let's crack into this box now. We still have that other packet to look at too, don't we? Ooh, so fun. Okay, here's a nice letter for you. I'm going to let you read that when you get it in your starter kit. Here we have a vinyl decal for your car. This is our new consultant checklist. So as a new consultant, you can go through this by yourself or with your leader. And these are steps that you should be taking to get your business off on the right foot, okay? Next up, this is a packet of receipts so that as customers order your jewelry, you can write them a receipt, keep a copy for yourself, and then give them a copy as well. This is your party checklist so that you can go through this list and make sure that you have everything that you need before you get out the door to your parties. Make sure you have things like your sales bags, your jewelry toolkit, and of course your jewelry, things like that. So it's a nice checklist for you. These cards are so cute. It says we have a thing for bling, and I believe there's 10 cards in here. It is a frequent buyer punch card, so that as your customers buy the jewelry, you can give them you can punch it with like a hole punch, or you can just initial that, and then when they buy 12 pieces, they get a free piece of jewelry. What else is there? So this is the compensation plan brochure. So this walks through how you can earn money from having other people join your team with you and get money from that. We call that residual income. These are new consultant applications. So when your friends and family start seeing the money that you're making and want to give this a try too, they can fill out this paper copy. It has all of our terms and conditions on the back, or you can give them a copy of this and they can fill it out online. This is our leadership worksheet. This kind of helps you set goals for your paparazzi business. They can be weekly, monthly, and then you'll know exactly what you're shooting for. Can you believe how much is in this kit? Oh my goodness. This is a necklace display bust so that you can display your necklaces at your parties or on your live shows and have them look very professional, very nice looking. And we have some thank you cards so you can write a nice thank you note to your hostess or to your customers as they purchase from you, and envelopes to go with those. A packet of party invitations. So on the front it says, let's get this party started. And then on the back it has the places that you can enter the party details as well as the address. You can send those to people, not during quarantine, but any other time. And then we have our jewelry repair kit. So you have all the pieces in here, all the little slots to organize it, and then a pair of little jewelry pliers so that you can fix any little things that might go wrong, like maybe the earrings hook piece is broken or maybe an O-ring. They're very, very simple fixes, and that can be accomplished very easily with this. Next up, we have pink sales bags for all of the sales you're going to make with your jewelry. You can send them home in style. Okay, that is it for that box. Now let's take a look at the jewelry here inside of this one. So I can see this card right here. It says, welcome to the party. Take 25% off of your first order personalized marketing things at paparazzitools.com. So that gives you a coupon so that you can get some more of those punch cards. You can get some business cards. So that is a really handy business tool, right? Next up, let's see, we have a packet of rings. Now, I do want to point out that not everybody's starter kit is going to be exactly the same. So you will have 35 pieces of jewelry. The jewelry is going to vary, okay? And then they are constantly changing and upgrading these starter kits. So some of the things that I just showed you, they may have been upgraded, they may have been modified. So if you are getting your starter kit and they're not exactly the same, just know that they are always making these better. But with the $99 kit, you will be getting 35 pieces of jewelry. So here's a pack with, I think there's 5 rings in there. And like I said, these vary from kit to kit. So I'm not going to necessarily open them and show you everything, but I do just want to show you a little bit. So here is, it looks like a pack of 5 bracelets. There's some sparkles in there. Love that. This pack is some of our best selling of all time pieces. So you know that these are going to fly out the door. If there are best selling ones, you know that they're going to sell well for you. Okay. This is a packet of earrings. Earrings are my favorite. They're my jam. So I'm kind of eyeballing these going, So some earrings there. And then necklaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different necklaces. And then last but not least, we have this pack right here, which is called a Fashion Fix set. Now, I'm going to show you real quick. That's what's left in the box, and then I'm going to set this aside so we can talk about this Fashion Fix set. Our stylists, every month, there's something called the Fashion Fix, and they put together these stylized sets that are direct matching. So you can see this set has 4 pieces. It comes with this card with the model wearing the pieces and looking oh so cute. And then we have this card back here, which is a stylist tip card. Now the stylist tip card gives us tips and tricks on mixing and matching things, what's in style, so that you can know how best to accessorize the different pieces that you get. Now, it doesn't just work with the set that comes with it. As you read these tip cards, you're going to be getting trained by the paparazzi stylists themselves, almost as if they were coming to your house and training you personally. Now, these are the people that create our jewelry, so you know that they're going to be amazing and that their tips are going to be right on point, right? So that is the Fashion Fix set. and tip card that will come in your kit. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the $99 Paparazzi Starter Kit. If you are ready to get started, click the link below. That will help you get your application going so that you can get one of these amazing kits in the mail for yourself. If you are interested in what our other kits look like, I will be having more videos over on my YouTube page, so be sure and check that out so you can see what is in each of those. Okay, can't wait to have you as part of the team, and we will catch you next time. Bye.